Are you ready for a hair care secret that's pure magic? Inshallah, today I'm sharing my luxurious Tchadiene Kakar oil recipe packed with herbs and oils your hair will absolutely love. These are the ingredients you'll be needing. I started with nourishing base of coconut oil, olive oil, and some onicha powder, which is known as feriche. Then this is my mahlab, and this is our main ingredient in this oil. This is our chebe powder, and this is amla powder. All these powders and herbs are very important in this hair care recipe. This is the bottle I'll be storing the hair oil in, and then I added some hibiscus and cloves into my mortar and pestle, and then I grinded it into fine powder. You can sieve this for easy, like for fast infusion, but if you do not want to sieve it like the way I did mine, then you can leave it like that. Then this is my black seed, which is also known as habbatu sauda. You can grind this into fine powder, you can leave it like this. And then this is my lavender flower, and then this is rosemary. You need rosemary in this hair oil recipe. It's so super important. So I added a mixture of the cloves and hibiscus, the grinded cloves and hibiscus powder, and then I grinded them together because I was just adding the powder, so there was no need for me to grind them separately. I added a spoonful of my mahlab powder. Make sure you grind your mahlab powder into fine and smooth powder. And mahlab has a lot of nutrients, and it also has this amazing scent, so it will not only give your hair nutrients, and it will also make your hair smell so good. Your hair will smell like you used umrah on your hair. Then I added more cloves powder, and then I added a spoonful of cloves powder, and then 250 mils of the coconut oil, and then I fried it using low heat. After frying it using low heat, I let it cool, and then I set it aside, and then I brought my bottle, my amber bottle, and then I added it in to the amber bottle. You can leave the shaft. It's important to leave the shaft because we have already fried it. We don't need the shaft. We have already brought out the nutrients from the powder. I added a mahlab, or a spoonful of the mahlab too, in the oil while I was frying it. So we fried mahlab, and then we fried cloves and hibiscus. So I added 1 spoonful of my chebe powder. Make sure you're using good grade chebe powder. And then this is my amla powder. I added a spoonful of my amla powder. You can skip amla powder, but why I'm adding amla powder to this luxurious Tchadiene hair care oil recipe is because amla powder makes hair grow so fast and extremely. So we want that for our hair. We want that extreme hair growth, and trust me, this hair care oil, you can use it on your babies, you can use it on little kids. The ingredients are herbs and spices. They're safe, and then it's better you make it at home so you know the ingredients that are going in. And then I added my onicha for that amazing scent, and then here I'm adding the rosemary. Rosemary is important in hair care oil. In the olden days, our grandmothers did not add rosemary, but they added all these other ingredients. So now we are in the modern time, we are going to add rosemary for that amazing extreme hair growth. And because rosemary has a lot of amazing benefits, and it adds a lot of nutrients to the hair, which helps in hair growth and all that. Rosemary also stimulates circulation at the root and encourages hair growth, and it encourages hair thickness. It helps in making your hair very thick and strong, while chebe helps in strengthening the hair, and it helps in preventing breakage. Then I brought my black seed, and then I added my black seed to this ingredient, to this hair oil, because it helps with anti-inflammatory, and it nourishes the follicles and supports hair density. Then I brought my almond oil, and then I added my almond oil. Almond oil is super important. It helps in moisture, it helps in scalp health, it helps in strengthening and making your hair shine, it helps with hydration, it helps in soothing the scalp. It has a lot of benefits. So after adding all these ingredients, you are going to shake this like very well and let it infuse for a week. After letting it infuse for a week, this is what it looks like. And then I'm going to add the final ingredient, which is vitamin E oil. It helps improve circulation, keeps the scalp hydrated, which can support healthy hair growth. You don't need a lot of this vitamin E oil. If you have just 2 to 3 pieces, it's okay. I'm using this one. You can screenshot. I got this at a pharmacy close to me, or a chemist here, and I'm using just 2 for this. 2 vitamin E oil for 30 mils, so we made 300 mils of hair oil. So for the whole 300 ml, we are going to use 10 vitamin E oil, and we are going to just squeeze this and add it into the bottle. You can see how fully infused this hair oil is looking after a week. This hair oil smells so good, and let me tell you guys, this is my go-to hair oil recipe. It is tested and trusted. Blended together, these ingredients create a nutrient-rich oil that seals in moisture, stimulates growth, and leaves hair stronger and more vibrant. Your hair isn't just pampered, it is protected. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do give this video a thumbs up, share this video with your loved ones, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Assalamu alaikum. Bye.